I'm gonna show you how to do some fridge organization. So it's a little bit easier to find some of your condiments. So there's different ways to label things. For example, this is a ketchup bottle. If you weren't sure what it was, you could open the top and smell it. But if you don't want to do that with every single thing to find the ketchup, you can put this kind of mesh over it, plastic mesh, or you can do a label. This is a braille label, so you can read that to know what it is. Or you can do something like this has 2 rubber bands around it, and so according to this system, this would be grape. You could do 1 rubber band for strawberry, 2 for grape, or anything that works for you. The way that this fridge is organized is all the butter is on top, and then we have more of the savory condiments like ketchup, ranch, mustard, mayo, and then down here we have all the different jams, and then the sweet condiments, so caramel, chocolate, and then below here we have all the hot sauces on the right side, and then things like relishes and garlic and jalapenos over here.
Hi, Yvonne here. One thing to note when organizing your home or your refrigerator is that all family members need to make sure everything has, every item in your home has its own space. In the refrigerator, for example, your milk needs to go in the same shelf in the same spot. Same with, let's say, your sour cream or your vegetables. And things in your bathroom all need to have its own specific place so that the person in your household that has a visual impairment can access these items easily and quickly. It's less frustrating for them. Thanks.